Stress at work is something almost everyone faces. Deadlines, meetings, emails, and constant pressure can pile up fast. But the good news is that stress can be managed before it takes over your day. The first step is noticing your triggers. Is it too many tasks, unclear expectations, or interruptions that throw you off? Once you know what is causing the pressure, you can start making changes that actually help. One of the simplest ways to reduce stress is to organize your work in a way that feels manageable. Start your day by identifying your top 3 priorities. Not everything needs to be done at once, and trying to do everything usually leads to doing less well. Break larger projects into smaller steps and focus on one task at a time whenever possible. Even short moments of progress can make the day feel less overwhelming. It also helps to set boundaries. If you're constantly checking messages or saying yes to every request, your stress will keep building. Be clear about what you can handle and communicate when a deadline or workload is becoming too much. Another powerful tool is taking real breaks. Step away from your screen, stretch, walk, or simply breathe for a few minutes. These small pauses are not wasted time. They help reset your mind so you can return with more focus and less tension. Staying hydrated, eating well, and getting enough sleep also make a huge difference in how you handle pressure. And don't ignore the value of support. Talk to a coworker, manager, friend, or family member if work stress is starting to affect your mood or health. You do not have to carry everything alone. Sometimes a quick conversation can give you perspective, encouragement, or even a practical solution. Managing stress at work is not about eliminating pressure completely. It is about creating habits that help you stay steady when pressure shows up. With better priorities, clear boundaries, and regular breaks, you can protect your energy and perform at your best.